Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 6 best wireless Android Auto adapter, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 6 on our list. Number 6. Motorola Sound MA1 Wireless Android Auto Adapter. Tired of fumbling with cables every time you start a car? The Motorola Sound MA1 Wireless Android Auto Adapter transforms your driving experience by eliminating messy wires and making connectivity effortless. With cutting-edge Google License Bridge technology, this sleek and lightweight adapter wirelessly connects your Android smartphone to your car's display. Just plug it in and go. Setting up the MA1 is a breeze. Simply plug it into your vehicle's USB-A port, pair it with your Android phone, and enjoy instant access to maps, music, messages, and more on your car's display. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection ensures lightning-fast transmission, keeping your navigation smooth and media playback uninterrupted. Whether you're commuting or heading on a road trip, this adapter is your perfect co-pilot. Designed for convenience, the compact MA1 includes a secure gel pad to keep it firmly in place. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to a truly wireless Android Auto experience. Upgrade your drive today with the Motorola Sound MA1, the smarter, safer, and sleeker way to stay connected on the road. Number 5. AuroraLink 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. Ditch the cables and upgrade your driving experience with the AuroraLink 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. This compact yet powerful device seamlessly converts your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless system, allowing you to enjoy full smartphone integration without the hassle of tangled cords. Powered by an advanced A7 chip, this adapter ensures a fast and stable connection with zero lag, so you can access navigation, music calls, and voice commands smoothly. Whether you prefer touchscreen, voice control, OEM knob, or wheel controls, the AuroraLink adapter keeps your car's original functions intact for a seamless experience. Compatible with iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus, this plug-and-play adapter works effortlessly across devices. Once paired, it auto-reconnects every time, no need to fumble with settings. Plus, with professional 24/7 tech support, a 12-month warranty, and a 14-day hassle-free return policy, you can buy with confidence. Make every drive smarter, smoother, and truly wireless with AuroraLink, the future of in-car connectivity. Number 4. KUKIHO CarPlay Wireless Adapter. Upgrade your driving experience with the KUKIHO CarPlay Wireless Adapter, the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for converting your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a seamless wireless connection. Say goodbye to messy cables and enjoy navigation, music calls, messaging, and voice assistant control with just a simple plug-and-play setup. Designed for speed and stability, this adapter features an advanced intelligent chip with cutting-edge Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, ensuring a fast, low-latency connection. Whether you're using touchscreen, steering wheel controls, or a knob interface, the KUKIHO adapter keeps everything running smoothly with zero lag. Built for universal compatibility, it supports iPhone 6 Plus, iOS 10 Plus, and Android 11 Plus, and comes with a USB to USB-C converter to fit various car models. Plus, its sleek, compact zinc alloy design enhances durability, heat dissipation, and signal strength, making it a stylish yet practical addition to your car. With lifetime technical support and firmware updates, KUKIHO ensures you stay connected hassle-free. Transform your drive today. Wireless freedom starts here. Number 3. LXJTHT Wireless Android Auto Adapter. Experience the future of in-car entertainment with the LXJTHT Wireless Android Auto Adapter, the latest 2025 upgrade designed to eliminate messy wires and enhance your driving convenience. Simply plug and play into your car's USB or Type-C port, connect via Bluetooth and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and enjoy a fast, stable, and hassle-free Android Auto experience. This adapter retains your car's original controls, giving you full access to navigation, music, calls, Google Assistant, and messaging apps, all with zero lag. The powerful 5.8 GHz chip ensures smooth performance, faster connections, and enhanced durability, making it perfect for daily commutes and long road trips. Compatible with 1000 plus car models, this universal Android Auto adapter supports voice control, making your drive safer and smarter. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to effortless connectivity with the LXJTHT wireless Android Auto adapter, your essential upgrade for a modern driving experience. Number 2. TERUNSOul wireless Android Auto adapter. Upgrade your driving experience with the TERUNSOul wireless Android Auto adapter, designed for a seamless cable-free connection between your car and Android phone. Simply plug into your car's USB port, and this adapter instantly pairs with Android 10 Plus devices, eliminating messy wires and setup hassle. Equipped with advanced A7S chips, this adapter ensures a stable, uninterrupted connection while maintaining your car's pristine audio quality. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, making calls, or using voice assistants, the intelligent integration keeps everything running smoothly. Plus, the newly upgraded NFC touchscreen connection allows you to instantly pair your phone with just a tap, making setup even easier. Built with lightweight, durable aluminum, its sleek and compact design blends effortlessly into your car's interior. The included USB to USB-C adapter ensures wide compatibility across 800-plus car models. With a 365-day warranty and lifetime technical support, the TERUNSOul wireless Android Auto adapter is your reliable high-performance solution for a smarter, hassle-free drive. Upgrade today and drive wirelessly. Number 1. Vevavi wireless Android Auto adapter. Upgrade your ride with the Vevavi wireless Android Auto adapter, designed to eliminate cables and transform your wired Android Auto into a seamless wireless experience. Enjoy navigation, music streaming, hands-free calls, and voice commands without the clutter, all while keeping your car's original controls fully functional, steering wheel buttons, touchscreen, and more. With NFC Quick Connect, pairing is effortless. Just tap your phone near the adapter, and you're connected. Prefer traditional pairing? The Bluetooth plug-and-play option ensures a smooth setup with automatic reconnection every time you start your car. Built for stable, lag-free performance, this adapter delivers fast pairing and optimized signal strength, so you stay connected without dropouts. Compatible with 800-plus vehicle models and Android 11 Plus devices, the compact and modern Vevavi adapter blends perfectly into any car interior. Plus, with dedicated customer support, you're backed every step of the way. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.